Spoiled entitled kid looked down at me until he saw me get inside his dream car. I, 46 years old, own multiple businesses that have allowed me to afford the lifestyle I currently have right now. I've been homeless multiple times and had family members not help me throughout my 20s, and it was pretty rough. I was always into the car scene growing up but never had the opportunity to modify my own car. I've always seen nicer cars drive across me when I was homeless, and I made a promise to myself that I would end up owning one. It took me 20 long years to get to where I am at today, and I've always maintained the same appearance. No, I do not stink or anywhere near to where I was when I was homeless. But I dress in plain clothes and my appearance doesn't scream rich or wealthy from the outside point of view. It was a choice I've made to stay grounded. Recently I had a friend mention to me that there was going to be a cars and coffee tomorrow morning and suggested that I should take one of my cars to the meet. I decided to go and figured that I would also enjoy seeing other cars there as well. The morning came and I decided to take my bright red 99 NSX that I have modified throughout the years. When I started pulling up, everyone stared and started following me to where I was parking. I felt happy seeing all the kids and teenagers that were there with their bright smiles and pointing at my car. When I ended up parking, I had people already waiting for me outside to talk to me. I had a couple of middle-aged dudes shake my hand, and we ended up talking about cars and what was done to mine. Throughout the morning, I've met a ton of cool people, and someone even convinced me to make an Instagram page for my car. I guess giving my Facebook account threw them off a little when they asked me for my social. As the meet started to end, I took some time just admiring my car and reminiscing the struggles in my 20s. While I was looking at my car, I saw a little brown dot near my front bumper and I decided to go and check it out. I bent over and started carefully wiping it with my shirt until a teenager, maybe about 20 years old, came up to me with his friend and told me to stop touching his dad's car. I looked up confused and told him, "Excuse me?" He approached me and pushed my hand out of the way and said, "I told you to get your hands off my dad's car. Do you not know how expensive this is?" I started thinking to myself if I was the only NSX in the meet, but I didn't see any. And what other red NSX have BBS rims that's lowered to the ground other than me in my city? As I was about to reveal to him that this is my car, his other friend cut me off and laughed, saying, "Look at how he dress. He probably doesn't know how much this car cost." I looked at both of them completely shocked. I wondered to myself that this kid's generation is the ones that are going to be taking over. You can now check if there's a part 2 by pressing share and more.
You can now check if there is a part 3 by pressing share and more.